Jai Gurudev student. Today we will start electrochemical cell, that can be also tell galvanic cell or voltaic cell. So what is electrochemical cell? First of all we will do a device which convert the chemical energy produced in a redox reaction into electrical energy. So from chemical energy we are getting electrical energy. This type of cell is called electrochemical cell. Now Zn plus CuSO4 converts ZnSO4 plus Cu. So Zn to ZnSO4, this is your oxidation, and CuSO4 to Cu, this is your reduction. So reduction oxidation measures, this is a redox reaction. Now if I take that electrochemical cell, now one side we have taken 1 molar ZnSO4 solution 1 molar, another side we have taken CuSO4 solution 1 molar. Then this KNO3 KCl, this is your salt bridge. This is U-shaped tube is called salt bridge, and that is connected by an external wire. Now that one Daniell cell also we have read in class 11, where we have seen that this one is giving electricity to like that, electron is flowing in this direction. Also we have learned one term, lone, left oxidation anode negative. So these things you remember. So from that, what more you have to require to read, this is one is your cell potential. And the difference between two electrode potential of the two half cells is known as cell potential or EMF. E of cell, E of reduction minus E of oxidation, right minus left. Then we have standard electrode potential. It is the potential difference between the electrodes and its ions in solution. If standard form means if 1 molar is chosen, 1 molar chosen, then that becomes standard. Now these terms you have to require to remember. Next one, we have to read about cell representation. Now last figure what we have done, this is your ZnSO4 solution, Zn dipositive, SO4 dinegative. This is CuSO4 solution, Cu dipositive, SO4 dinegative. This is zinc rod, this is copper rod. Now how to represent a cell? First you have to write the anode, then anode electrolyte, salt bridge, cathode electrolyte, then cathode. Anode is your zinc here, so to read zinc. Anode electrolyte is Zn dipositive. Then this is salt bridge. This is the parallel line is salt bridge. Then Cu dipositive and Cu. If you consider this one 1, 2, 3, 4, then cell equation is nothing but 1 plus 3, 2 plus 4. 1 plus 3, 2 plus 4. This is how you can write the cell equation. Cell representation, cell equation, these things are very much important. These things required to be known. Next one is your find the standard electrode potential of Daniell cell if the electrode potential of zinc and copper are minus 0.76 volt and 0.34 volt. Now Zn plus Cu dipositive converts Cu dipositive plus Zn. E naught of cell, right minus left. So Zn plus Cu dipositive, that gives you Cu plus Zn dipositive. So E naught of cell, Cu dipositive oblique Cu minus Zn dipositive oblique Zn. One thing remember, in the reactivity series, whatever may be the top, that is minus, and then bottom one will be your plus. The value of Cu dipositive oblique Cu is 0.34. Value of Zn dipositive Zn is 0.76, and minus sign is required to be remembered to be put, and then minus become positive, that is 1.10 volt. So this answer you have to remember. For Daniell cell we are getting electrode potential 1.10 volt. Next is your one important equation is the Nernst equation. So this equation provides a method for determination of electrode potential at any state other than standard state from the standard electrode potential. Now earlier what we considered in Daniell cell, we have taken 1 molar 1 molar. Now if the concentration are not in 1 molar, then you have to use Nernst equation to find the electrode potential, cell potential, sorry. So if a reaction is like that, Mn positive aqueous plus N electron M solid, it is like just like the Cu dipositive aqueous plus 2 electron consumed. This is copper solid. Now E of cell is what? E of cell is E naught of cell minus RT by NF. This formula you have to remember. Ln product by reactant. This is product is M positive Mn. Now if this and this is 1 molar 1 molar 1 molar 1 molar, 1 by 1, log 1 by 1 is 0. So log 1 by 1 is 0. Then if entire part becomes 0, for 1 molar solution E of cell equal to E naught of cell. This part also remember. So E naught of cell equal to minus value of R is 8.314 298 Kelvin. N is number of electron and Faraday of electricity 96500 into 2.303 log 1 by Mn positive. Because since solid concentration is 1, that we have taken in the equilibrium chapter last year. E naught of cell equal to 0.059, entire one you will get 0.059. This part you remember, divided by N, number of electron, log 1 by Mn positive. So this equation can be remembered like that: E of cell equal to E naught of cell 0.059 by N, log oxidation by reduction, right hand side ion by left hand side ion, product ion by reactant ion. So this one again we are taking in this one, Cu to the power Cu plus 2 Ag positive, Cu dipositive plus twice Ag. This is your cell equation. From that, E of cell equal to E naught of cell minus 0.059 by 2. Why 2? Because from 0 to 2, so there is 2 electron transformation takes place. So you have to take 2 log Cu dipositive by Ag positive square. There's this coefficient. You have to remember that coefficient also. So up to this you first prepare, and the next class we will do some numerical. Thank you.